Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your Rama. So, आप लोगों को तो पता चल ही चुका होगा यहाँ पे कैप्शन देख के कि ये वीडियो किस चीज़ के लिए है, but still I'm gonna say you that today this video is based on unpackaging my Webeler ring light which I have ordered from Flipkart. So let's get started because I'm so excited for the video and to unpack my ring light. Okay, so let's get started. Hey guys. Okay. So here you can see this is the Webeler ring light package which I have received from Flipkart today, and this is what I have done is I have already cut the sides so that it becomes easy to open while making this video. So here I got this first package of the ring light. This is the ring light package as you can see, and so the next thing which I have got is might be a slip, where it was written that if I give something feedback, I'll receive 30 rupees on PhonePe or whatever. So the next thing is the stand. Okay, I was having so much problem that I was not able to take it out. Okay, so please just adjust it. Okay, that was very hard.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here finally I was able to take the packet out. So here is the stand of the ring light. Okay, so this is the ring light. As you guys know, now I am gonna open this and show it to you. Okay, so here also I'm facing the same problem as like before, and it took
2000 years later.
Okay, so after a lot of time I'm able to open this. So now also I need some time to open the wrapping. As you can see, so here also finally the wrap is being removed, and this is the exact ring light, and this is how it looks. And this is the wire. As you can see, I'll show you how to use it, and this is a part of a ring light. I'll also explain you how to use it and where to use it in the next video. Next video means in the next part. So this is the stand which I have received with this package. So actually I was very confused how to open this. Later on, anyhow, I opened the stand. Okay, I was having problem, but still you can open it like this, but if you know a better way, then obviously use the way. Yeah, so this is the look after opening the stand in a proper way, and see, this look like this. This stand contains two keys. One is in the upper one and the other is in the down one. So see, this upper portion you can also rotate it as you can wish, and after opening the key, fixing it on a position, you can just up and down the stand according to your wish. So now here you can see I have opened the upper key. There it is the down key. After opening the down key in a position, you can adjust it according to your height or according to your choice. As you can see, the height of the stand is too long, but I have fixed it according to my height, and this is the first key. As you can see, I'm just adjusting the key, and this is the other one as you can open it. So see, this can be opened, and see the height will be too long. So I have just tried to adjust it according to my height using the second key. So after this, I am just adjusting it according to me. I have just locked the key so that it doesn't move. I fixed it properly, and this was a cap which was attached with the screw, as you can see, where we can adjust the ring light. So now I'll show you the process of adjusting this with each other, the ring light with the stand. So here we go. You can see there is a place to adjust it with the screw as shown before. So we can also adjust it with the ring light directly, but in this way this won't move. See, I'm fixing it with the stand. So you can see this won't move. This will be still in a position. But using this material which was given, this is a kind of ball which will help the ring light to bend in front or in backward direction. So I am adjusting the ball with the ring light properly. Okay, so as you can see, this is done. I have already fixed it up. I have joined this too. Okay, so as you can see, this is done. Now see the place on the ball where we can fix the screw with each other. As I have said you before, the stand already has a screw on the top. So now I will adjust this two with each other.
One eternity later.
Okay, so as you can see, this is being fixed after a long period of time. Finally. So here you can see I can bend it with the help of that ball, as I said you. So I can also move this in front and also in back too. And see, this spring is very flexible. We can move it according to our choice, as I can do it. I hope so you can see this. Okay, so finally done. Now as you can see here, this wire, with the help of the wire we will just connect it with the switch, with the electric, so that this ring light works properly. As this is a lengthy method, so I have made it quite fast. And you can see I have opened this wire and I have just kept that one with me. Might be I will need it someday. So you can see this is a button remote which will help us to control the ring light in a proper manner. You can see this is the red button which is on off. There you'll see a minus and a plus, and with that an option to change the color of the ring light. So now I'll show you by adjusting it with each other. Let me connect it with the board. As you can see, I'm just connecting with my charger. Now I'll tell you about this remote. See, you can see a light is blinking from there. Yes, that is the on off button. After switching on from the board, you can see a light will blink from the remote. There you'll get an option on and off. You have to press it so to on the ring light. As you can see here, you'll get a -1. There is the on off button. See, this is how it works. This is the minus button to reduce the light. This is the plus button. As you can see, the light is increasing as I'm pressing the plus button. Now this is the alternative button. If I press this, the color of the ring light will be changed. This is the yellow color, and after pressing this, this is the white color. Again, you can see the color is changing. This is the yellow, and again this is the white. So there are two colors, white and the yellow one. And so this is how this ring light works. And this is the use of the button. Hope so you enjoyed my video. You understood how to do it, how to fix it all, as this was my first time. So if I have made any kind of mistake, then please forgive me, because as much information I gained about this, I knew this is the way to unpack this, and so I did it to show you all. So I'm very much excited to use this ring light. So I'll show you a demo of this ring light by clicking a picture and showing it to you all. Okay, so hope you like this video, enjoyed it a lot. If you have liked the video, then please give a thumbs up, like it, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.